और ये है गंगा घाट, बूढ़ी गंडक के घाट पे हम लोग आए हैं। और आज पूर्णिमा है, कार्तिक पूर्णिमा है। मेरी माँ पूजा कर रही है यहाँ पे। बहुत ही बढ़िया नज़ारा है, बहुत ही सुंदर नज़ारा है यहाँ पे। मतलब क्या खूबसूरती है इस जगह की, बता नहीं सकते। बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। सो यहीं पे एक क्यों ना कविता हो जाए। तो कविता इज फ्रॉम वन ऑफ द बेस्ट लीडर्स ऑफ इंडिया, लेट अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी। क्या हार में क्या जीत में, किंचित नहीं भयभीत में। क्या हार में क्या जीत में, किंचित नहीं भयभीत में। कर्तव्य पथ पर जो मिले यह भी सही वह भी सही। हार नहीं मानूंगा, हार नहीं मानूंगा, रार नहीं ठानूंगा। काल की कपाल पे लिखता मिटाता हूँ, गीत नया गाता हूँ मैं, गीत नया गाता हूँ, गीत नया गाता हूँ मैं, गीत नया गाता हूँ। ये कविता बहुत ही अच्छी लगती है मुझे, बहुत अच्छा लगता है कविता ये। और इससे कुछ मीनिंग्स जो हैं वो तो रियली बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रभावशाली है। आई होप कि आप सब लोग इसको एंजॉय करेंगे जैसे कि मैं कर रहा हूँ, और बाकी बहुत सारे यहाँ पे आए हुए लोग जो हैं कर रहे हैं। सो इट इज़ अ वेरी good moment, precious moment, invaluable moment in my life. And the truth is also at the bank of this river that when corpses, are cremated here, so it is a crematory place also. A cremation house is there which is in its construction process. You can see that cremation house, क्रीमेटोरियम जिसको बोला जाता है। यही रियलिटी है दुनिया की, यही सत्य है दैट यू हैव टू गो वन डे। सो वन थिंग आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक टू मैंसन दैट क्रीमेशन इज बेटर देन ग्रेव। वाई क्रीमेशन इज बेटर देन ग्रेव? बिकॉज आफ्टर बीइंग डेड up to 1.5 hour the body has consciousness, but within that if the corpse is being cremated, it has lots of significant value for the bereaved family also and for the dead body also. But in our society, after many more times, after many more hours, some people are coming from Bombay, some people are coming from Delhi. So it takes 1 or 2 days to cremate that dead body. But in sciences it has been mentioned shouldn't be like this. जब लोग अपने परिचित जो हैं या अपने जो लोग हैं वो दूर हैं तो लेट होगा ही। सो क्रीमेशन से ये भी होता है ना, व्हेन समबडी इज क्रीमेटेड, जैसे में हम लोग जो भी ऑफस्प्रिंग हैं अपने बाबा के पापा के वंशज हैं, तो ये कनेक्शन है। इट इज़ नॉट ओनली अबाउट मेमोरी, इट इज़ अबाउट जेनेसिस ऑल्सो, इट इज़ अबाउट जीन ऑल्सो। सो आफ्टर क्रीमेशन ऑल दैट मेमोरी got lost and you feel less panic, little bit less grieved. That's why cremation is better than grave. Cremation is better than grave. It means cremation is better than being buried up. If you bury somebody, if you cremate somebody, both are different. There are instances if a body is before 84 years, if the soul leaves the body, that is called prana. So after leaving the prana, the body becomes nothing, and it has lots of memory inside it, but it cannot move, it cannot walk, it cannot run. So if the body is before 84 years, it means 4 cycle of 21 years, then it is better to cremate than to bury. And if the body is above 84 years, then you can do either of that. Either you can cremate or you can bury. So both are, because all the bodies are coming from these 5 parts, that is called water, fire, air, earth and space, out of which space is most powerful. You can see that whatever you are seeing above, it is space. You can see the amount of water, the portion of water, the portion of the land, the portion of air, but space is infinite. That's why space is very powerful. In yogic sciences, it is considered or in Hinduism it is considered that a space means Kala. Kala is very important and very powerful ingredient out of the 5 ingredient out of which we have made up of. So if after 84 years a body leaves its prana, then you can either cremate it or you can bury it. But before 84 years, it is better to cremate to avoid more emotional feelings. If a young person died, so for that person, the emotional attachment of the people, of father, parents, grandparents are very much. That is up to its high peak, high level. So at that moment, if you bury them, they will understand that my baby, my child, my grandson, my son, my daughter is here in this ground. So the emotional attachment will continue for some years, some upcoming years, and they will become panic day after day, and they will be thinking of this. But when it is cremated, after cremation, that emotional attachment will much come down. So cremation is better. At the bank of river Gandak, Budi Gandak, and here you can watch the lorries are going, the trucks are going on the Dumaria Ghat pool. I am here. There is my mom, and she is worshipping, and this is Kartik Purnima. It will just give you some reality of life. You will face some reality of life. I hope so, because I am also a learner. I don't know everything, but I am a seeker, and I am seeking all these things these days, because I think these are very important things to understand the life. You understand everything, but you do not understand life. What is the matter of being alive? So understanding of life is very important in my perspective, not in everybody's perspective. It should be, but most of the people think that they are immortal. Nothing is immortal, nothing is permanent in this mortal world. So keep it in mind, and if you keep it in mind, then you will understand the value of time and energy that you are bound up of. What you are made up of, what you have, you have some little amount of time and energy that you are spending here, and which you call life. And life is only that, a package of energy and time. So time is very valuable, time is invaluable, you can say. It is very important, and so don't waste it. And one thing I would like to say, that if you are going to purchase a mobile, so first of all, what you do something like you try to learn how to operate this mobile, how to operate the computer, how to operate all those gadgets that you wanted to buy, all that gadgets that you purchased. But you have been gifted with a life inside you. So why don't you read the manuals, the life's manual? Why don't you read? You should read it, and you should understand the value of life and how it functions. Being envious and jealous are common in our society, but it shouldn't be like this. Life is not about it. So try to be very genuine, try to be very honest, try to be very calm and in composure. This is life and nothing else. I hope you will understand this. I am also getting rid of some attachments in my life, some Maya, because this place tells us everything about it. This is that place where my grandfather had been cremated. This place is that my grandmother has been cremated. So this is the place which reminds me lots of things, lots of reality of life, that we are just like insects which are going on this till we have time and energy. Once our time over, once our energy loses up, we are nothing on this planet, and once again we will be dissolved in the 5 elements. That is called, once again I am mentioning it, air, water, earth, fire and space. So look at the space. Everything beyond the touch is a space. So that's all about it, my dear friends. I hope you will enjoy it, and don't think that I am a monk, like I am something like that. I am just try to read the manuals of life. I hope you all will be agree with me through this video. So try to watch it, and if you get something then it's okay. Okay, bye. Thank you.